Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the AI expand photo trend using the CapCut template. So if you want to create that viral expand photo trend, you can just open your TikTok first and then go to the search column or search bar and then just type in AI expand photo sorry photo template. This one, just tap on the videos that you want to use the template. For example, I'm going to use this one. You can click on the CapCut try this template button and tap on use template in CapCut. And after that, the template will be open in the CapCut app. If you haven't downloaded the CapCut apps, that you need to install it first, but if you already done it, you can just click on the use template and then add the photos that you want to expand. So I'm going to just use this photo right here. After that, you can click on next and CapCut will load the effects. You can preview the result first before exporting it. Let's just wait. Okay, so now it's done. Let's preview the result from the start. This is the before and this is the after. You can see that the photo is expanding. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.